Hi everyone, in this video I'll give you a few quick examples of scientific notation. Scientific notation is a really great way that we can write really big or really small numbers very easily. So for example, if we have 73,000, or actually let's add a few more zeros just to make it an even bigger number. So really we don't want to have to write this down. That looks nasty and messy. So what we're going to do is we're going to think about where the decimal place is at the moment. So right now, our decimal place is over here. To be able to make this a much nicer looking number, let's shift this decimal place. So we're going to shift 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places and put it here. Okay, so if we put our decimal place there, let's just take this number here. So here we have 7.3. Now because we shifted our decimal place, we need to write times 10, and we need to have a power as well. So because we had to shift our decimal place left, that means our power will be positive. Okay, we had to shift our decimal place left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 places. So it's 7.3 times 10 to the 7. Okay, now let's have a look at a smaller number. This time let's have a look at 0.0000234. Okay, so let's look at where the decimal place is at the moment. It's over here. And we want to shift it to the right, because when we're using SI notation, we always want the number at the front of our little notation to be between 1 and 10. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. That means now we have 2.34 times 10. Now because we had to shift right, we need to have a negative power, and we shifted right 5 places, so 10 to the negative 5. Let's have a look at an example going the other way. So let's have a look at 1.23 by 10 to the 4. Okay, originally when we were talking about positive powers, over here we were talking we had to shift our decimal place left to get a positive power up here. That means if we want to revert from a positive power, we're going to have to go backwards and shift our decimal place right. Okay, so if we're going backwards, shifting our decimal place right, let's start by writing down our number over here. We have 1.23. Shifting our decimal place, go 1, 2, 3, 4 places. We write in some zeros under our lovely arches there, and we get 1, 2, 3, 0, 0. Let's try another one. Okay, here we have 4.506 times 10 to the negative 6. Okay, so here, because we have a negative power and we're going backwards, we want to shift our decimal place to the left. So we're going to be shifting that way. Let's write down our original number. We have 4.506. Let's look at where our decimal place is. It's just here. So we're going to shift that to the left 6 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We'll put some zeros in. Means our decimal place is now here, and we need to have a 0 to the left of the decimal position as well. So that means we have 0.000004506. And that's just a reminder of how nice it is to write in scientific notation instead of writing something like this, which is a little bit messy and confusing and easy to miss a zero. Hope that helps.